Hello students, let us revise a very easy topic from your grammar section, which is use of negatives. Use of negatives section carries 4 marks. You will have 4 sentences carrying 1 mark each. You are supposed to change them to negative sentences or positive sentences as directed. Now let us try to understand what a negative sentence is. If in a sentence you have words such as no, not, does not, has not, etc., it is a negative sentence. That means a negative sentence rejects or disagrees with the idea expressed in the sentence. It also means that the opposite is true. So when we say we are not friends, it means that we are enemies. Let us take an example. Here there's a picture of Tom and Jerry, and the sentence given here is we are friends, but in reality we know they are not friends. So we are not friends is negative sentence and we are friends is positive sentence. Another example, we are students is positive sentence. We are not students is negative sentence. Therefore, words like no, not, never, etc., whenever they are used in sentences, those sentences are called negative sentences. Now, let us try to understand this better by using some examples. When we have is in a sentence, it is positive. Is not is negative. Are positive, are not negative. Was positive, was not negative. Has positive, has not negative. Had positive, had not negative. Do positive, do not negative. Does positive, does not negative. Did positive, did not negative. Now let us use some pronouns. I do is positive, I do not, or I don't is negative. We do is positive, we do not, or we don't is negative. You do is positive, you do not, or you don't is negative. She does is positive, she does not, or she does not, she doesn't is negative. Now, let us try to understand this further with examples. It is common to get cold during winter. How to change this to negative? Just add not. It is not common to get cold during winter. Or you can shorten it by saying it isn't common to get cold during winter. Another example, we are ready for the examination. What kind of a sentence this is? This is positive sentence. To make it negative, we have to add not. So, negative sentence is we are not ready for the examination. If you shorten it, it becomes we aren't ready for the examination. Now, another example, Sunita is sick. This is positive sentence. To make it negative, we add not. So, the negative sentence is Sunita is not sick or Sunita isn't sick. Another example, I live in Mysore. So here you will have to add auxiliary verbs because we cannot add not directly. You should add do in this sentence. So it is I do not live in Mysore. Similarly, positive sentence she lives in Bangalore is a positive sentence. We cannot add only not here, we should add does also. So, she does not live in Bangalore becomes a negative sentence. Another example, I have a book. So, this is positive sentence. To make it negative, we should say, I do not have a book. Next sentence, Kamala is writing a letter. This sentence is positive. To make it negative, we must add not. Kamala is not writing a letter. Another example, Shalini wants ice cream. In this sentence, you should add does not. Then the positive sentence becomes negative. Shalini does not want ice cream. Next example, I want ice cream. So, in this sentence, to make it negative, we should add do not. So, I do not want ice cream or I don't want ice cream. I hope you understood this kind of sentences. Whenever we have I, you, we, they, etc., we should use do. Like I do, you do, we do, they do. Whereas when we have third person pronouns like she, he, it, Shalini, Kumari, etc., we have to say he does, she does, Shalini does, Kumari does, etc. Next sentence, I am going to Delhi. In this sentence, this is positive, and by adding not, we can make it negative. I am not going to Delhi. Next sentence, that isn't how you do it. This is negative sentence because isn't is there. The sentence is negative. To make it positive, you just remove not, then it becomes that is how you do it. Next sentence, this is the way to Sringeri. Positive sentence. To make it negative, we add not. That is not the way to Sringeri. Next sentence, they are from Venezuela. Now, to make it negative, we can add not. Therefore, the answer is they are not from Venezuela. Next sentence, he wasn't eating white rice. This is a negative sentence because wasn't is there. Now, so in order to make it positive, we can remove not, and when we remove not, it will become he was eating white rice. Next sentence, we were sad when the college closed. This is positive sentence though the feeling is negative. So, negative sentence can be arrived at by adding not. So, the answer is we are not sad when the college closed, or we can also say we were happy when the college closed. Next sentence, they don't practice yoga. So, this is a negative sentence because you have don't there. In order to make it positive, remove don't, then the sentence will become positive. They practice yoga. Next sentence, she did not like masala dosa. So, since not is there, it is a negative sentence. To make it positive, you should remove did not. When we remove did not, it will become she liked masala dosa. Next example, he does not have to commute to work. Negative sentence. To make it positive, remove does not. So your sentence is he has to commute to work. Next example, they will not be joining us for dinner tonight. Negative sentence, because not is there. Remove not, you will have positive sentence. They will be joining us for dinner tonight is positive sentence. Next example, she won't be attending classes this year. Negative sentence. To make it positive, remove won't, then what you have is positive. The answer is she will be attending classes this year. Next sentence, these aren't pistachios. Remove not, you will have positive sentence. These are pistachios. Next sentence, they were not playing cricket. Remove not to make it positive. They were playing cricket is a positive sentence. So this has been some exercises for you to practice the use of negative. Please continue to practice, study well and do well in the exam. All the best. Thank you.